Hey people, and welcome to my first English video. Today is about my programming journey, and we're going to look through a few of my programming projects throughout the years, from the ones that I have done when I just started out and to the ones I'm doing today. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this is actually my very first programming project that I found. It's TicTacToe.java. I started off in Java, and the story behind this is that I actually started programming in my school for the first time. It was like a long night of programming or something that they organized. It was very cool. And me and my friend, we wanted to program TicTacToe. Our goal was to program an unbeatable tic-tac-toe bot. So at this point, we didn't know anything about programming, and I think I mostly programmed this. It's a wonder that this works. And the output is this. This is a tic-tac-toe field, and you can press the buttons, and the red is the enemy. And I think it went like that we programmed it, and then the teacher came, and the teacher tried to win against it, and then he won, undoubtedly. And then we fixed over like his strategies, and that went back and forth a couple of times, and at the end, the teacher wasn't able to beat us anymore, so it's amazing that this works. I think this is still a great project. Okay, next one. This is the next one. This is Cgal. This was also written in Java. I think this was a few weeks after the tic-tac-toe one. Yeah, this is definitely something. Okay, let me show you. It's, of course, a game. So Cgal stands for coolest game, lol, of course. And it works like this. You have this controller at the beginning, and you have these few options on the side, and you're allowed to build a game map for your friend. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, and now I've built a map, and now I can press enter, and this is actually a game that you can play. And now my friend would take over, and you would have to control this orange box, and would try to go to the end. Oh god, this is difficult. Okay. It's like the world's hardest game a little bit, I guess. Oh, well, okay, this wasn't too difficult. And yeah, then it prints gewonnen, which is the German word for you won, into the terminal. That's great. Anyways, next one. This was one of my first Python projects, and I used classes, I used functions. The code actually looks kind of okay. I mean, it's very confusing still, no comments, but if we start it, it prompts you with how many players you want, the width and height of a grid, okay? And then it shows a grid, and it's a bunch of blue dots that start in a random place, and their goal is to find the green dot, which is supposed to be their food or something. And the blue dots are all like agents, and it's genetic algorithm, it's evolutionary. The blue dots are supposed to like learn over time how to get to the green dot, and they are rewarded by how close they are. Right now they don't seem to be working very well. I'm going to start it over. Oh, look at this. Oh, nobody actually hit it though, because if they hit it, another like food generates and they need to hit that one. Oh yeah, there's the next one. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool to look at. Oh, this is very fun. This is so cool. I should build this again. This looks awesome. They're so bad at it as well. It shouldn't be that hard. I think you were even able to place like red things to stop them. So you could try to confuse them. Anyways, next project. This is my next project. This was also written in Python and was a 3D viewer of 3D objects, and matrices here. I did all sorts. This was math stuff. I think I had no idea what I was doing, but it's quite amazing that this works. And if we start it, it does actually work, and you can see a 3D model I downloaded on the internet here, and you can turn it, you can like go around it. It's just quite cool. Yeah, there's a 3D object viewer. Oh yeah, ooh, it crashed. Well, of course, it wasn't perfect. Anyways, next project. This is exciting. This is actually my first website I made, I think. And this was a convert program. You could drag and drop code into this interface, which looks like Scratch a little bit. And you could write code, and then you could output the code in different languages. I'm just going to write a short program to showcase this. Hey, so I wrote Fibonacci output here. I mean, this looks pretty horrible, but it surprisingly works. So I wrote this code here, and then it prints out this here, which is the JavaScript code, and you can even press run here, and it runs the code, which is amazing. This just prints out the Fibonacci sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, which is just each number is the two previous numbers added. And the fun thing about this is you can also view it in Java, so you can export it to different languages actually. You can't run Java, unfortunately, but Yeah, you can see Java, PHP, C++. Yeah, seems to work. Python. This is amazing. Okay, next one. This one is my first real machine learning project, I'd say. And for this one, I wrote a whole neural network thing. It worked in Python. It was actually also a website, and it works like this. This beautiful website, I say. You could type in a name, and it rated the Minecraft skin of this username on a scale from very feminine to very masculine. And the way this works is I forced a few of my friends to sit there and rate many skins. With most skins, it kind of rates them okay. I just entering random names, and it tries to rate them on a scale to very feminine to masculine. I found this back in the day absolutely hilarious, and I still think it is. This is pretty good. Hunter, what is free? I don't know, just random names. Yeah, I guess it didn't work perfectly, but I still think this is an awesome project. Let me know if I should remake this and put it online again, because this isn't online. This is just my local machine. Okay. Anyways, next project. The next one is AntiCookieBox, and this is the first product I really ever published publicly and made into a finished thing which you can download, which, by the way, you can download. It's probably in the description somewhere. And this is a Chrome plugin that automatically removes accept cookie boxes. So if I just search a random website and then I go to the first website, what you can't see right now is an AntiCookieBox, and maybe you saw it pop up here. And Lucy, which is this little ghost, it tells you, yeah, I've scared one cookie box off. And if I reverse the changes that Lucy made, yeah, you can see that there's an anti-cookie box here. So there's a cookie box. This thing had like all sorts of different settings. You could add exceptions. There was so many different like skins for Lucy. Me and my friend, we had so much fun. We just pixeled a lot of like ghosts. And when you select one, it's like, it changes which ghost comes up here. Definitely download this one. I don't have it downloaded anymore because it was kind of annoying after a while because it made mistakes. Well, maybe don't download it. Anyways, next project. The next project is actually two projects. It's Lettre and Presi, and these are two Word and PowerPoint clones. They're pretty fun. This is Lettre, this is the Word clone, and you can just open a document, let's say, for example, Noel. And you can see the document here, and you can type anything that you wanted. You can format it a bit, write your favorite stories in here, and they automatically save. And when anyone opens this and types in Noel, it shows the thing here. So it's public. And the same as for this is a presentation tool. And you can type in the name of any presentation. For example, one I did was Facharbeit for my school once, and you can press present. And this was entirely made in my program. And this was my presentation back in the day. Anyways. Next one. This is Perli, and as you can see, this is kind of proper. This is a game I actually published on the Google Play Store, and it's a very short game where you need to remember bomb positions and then draw a path through bombs. If you really want to try it out, just download it, please. I have a link in the description, of course. It doesn't have a lot of downloads. It has just, I think, 20 or something. My friend even made some really good music for it with really great sound effects. It's really cool in general, I think. You should download it, look at it, have fun. Next one. This is the final project I want to show you. This is my website, no-schudig.de/terminal, and this is a terminal. This is an online terminal which you can place commands into, and for example, a command is ls commands, which tells you all the commands that you can enter. Every one of these commands is so much work that I put into this. I think the whole website took hundreds of hours, actually. I've been working on this for a few years now. It's also just a very fun place to explore. There's games in here like mini golf, like asteroids, Sudoku. There's Minesweeper. There's Avoider, which is a fun redeem-ish game. You could even open this on mobile, although I have made a mobile website as well, which kind of has a nicer interface where you can enter all the commands online in a nicer interface, which has these inputs instead of the terminal. There's loads of stuff hidden here. You can enter Easter eggs. There's loads of stuff to explore. I think this is the project I'm working on the most. These are all my projects. There's many more hidden inside this website if you want to see more. See you. This is all my projects. that was the video. Those were some projects I picked. Of course, there are many more projects. I have about 100 waiting, and if you like this video, please let me know. I could probably make another video of this kind. Yes, thanks for watching, and see you sometime. Bye.